morning to everyone. Welcome back again our channel. It's me, JERLIE, isang OFW sa Dubai. So, ang inyong tagapaglingkod. So, today we vlog about the review for one product. So, before that, don't forget like, share, and subscribe my video. And then disclaimer lang tayo, pwede nyong isi-skip yung video ko kung ayaw nyong manood. So, today is the Saturday. So, kamusta kayo guys? So, kamusta yung mga kapwa kong mga vloggers sa Pilipinas? Hope na okay lang kayo dahil nga lockdown. So, let's be pray na matatapos na yung COVID-19. Kasi nga, this month, August, is grabe yung pangyayari. Apoy ang laging nangyayari. So, let me start today our vlog. So, we are review for the one product na that I'm using. So, this is Dove. So, Dove is the beauty cream. So, familiar ba kayo dito sa Dove? So, yun ang i-review natin. Ano ba yung Dove? So, actually, yung Dove is sale dito. So, pumunta ko kahapon sa supermarket. So, nakita ko to so sale. So, gusto ko talaga yung Dove, yung gamitin yung beauty cream. So, ito ay pwede din gamitin sa mukha, pwede din gamitin sa skin. This is the personal care. So, let me start. Paano ba yung Dove? Yan. So, yan. Ito, hindi ko pa siya nabuksan. So, ibuksan natin. Ito, guys. Kailang. Ito guys, yan. I-apply natin konti lang guys. Yan. Tapos like that. Yan guys, ang ginamit ko kasi nga too much hot here. So we using for the beauty cream. This is also moisturizer. Yan. Yan guys. See? Ang bango guys. Yan. Ito's name is Dove Beauty Cream. Like that. Yan. Ito guys. Yun. Ang bango. So i-apply nyo lang bago kayo pagkatapos kayo maliligo. Yan. Ang bango guys. Yun guys, so after that, yung gamitin nyo yung cream pagkatapos kayong maligo, and then pwede din kayong i-apply sa mukha nyo. Yan, kasi itong beauty cream is moisturizer also. Yan. Yan. So I will read. This the Beauty Dove is made in United Arab Emirates. So this is expire date in 2022. So, binili ko to kahapon sa supermarket kasi nga sale. Tapos, ito yung ginagamit ko din na cream lotion. Yun guys. So, familiar naman kayo dito guys. Yan. So, but this video is not a sponsor. So, I will show only in the video na yung review ng product paano nagagamitin natin kasi nga naka-sale dito sa supermarket sa UAE. Ewan ko kung sa Pilipinas kung magkano to, pero dito sa UAE is 12 dirhams. Yan. Yan guys. Itong Dove Beauty Cream is 150 ml. And then made in United Emirates. And then, the ingredient is water aqua, salicylic acid, starch hydrogens, mineral oil, glyceryl sterolate, petroleum. Dami niyang ingredients guys. And then, ito ay made in Unilever. Yun guys, so kung papunta kayo sa supermarket, you can check this. Yan. And then, you can use your own beauty cream for body cream. You can use your face like that. Kasi guys, ang bango talaga yan. And then you can looking non-greasy and then moisturizer. Yun guys, this is the Dove beauty cream. Yun guys. So that's all guys. So thank you for watching my review the product of Dove. So hope na enjoy kayo. Ito shout out to everyone, my new subscriber and old subscriber. Thank you so much. This is JERLIE, ang iyong tagapaglingkod. And then have a nice day. God bless us. Bye-bye.